Welcome to This Explainer. Look, today we're tackling a massive headache that so many MSMEs deal with every single day. If you've ever felt totally overwhelmed by endless financial data or just constantly frustrated by compliance bottlenecks, you are absolutely in the right place. We're going to uncover how modern systems are finally ditching all that manual chaos in favor of state-of-the-art bookkeeping and accounting. Specifically, we're zooming in on a platform called Digital CFO and how it's radically transforming financial management for small businesses. We're going to break down exactly how you can turn your accounting from a heavy, slow liability into your greatest strategic advantage.
So let's be real for a second and talk about a pain point I know we all share. In most organizations, despite having access to all sorts of fancy software, the absolute most powerful tool in the accounting department usually isn't some heavy-duty ERP. No, it's a spreadsheet. But we really have to ask ourselves, are you still trusting your core financial operations to a basic spreadsheet? Because if you are, you're caught in what's known as the spreadsheet illusion. Sure, it feels flexible, but it is packed with manual chaos. Human errors inevitably creep in. You're stuck doing endless reconciliations, and there's just this constant need for rework. Someone forgets one crucial detail or messes up a ledger posting, and boom, your accounts closures are severely delayed. It just doesn't scale.
Section 1. The cost of chaos. When bad data snowballs.
You see, this manual chaos doesn't just stay neatly contained in your accounting department. It inevitably spills over into your compliance, creating catastrophic reporting mismatches. It's like trying to manually align your super detailed GSTR1 with your macro-level GSTR3B summary. Untangling where the numbers went wrong is an absolute nightmare because bad data sets off a rapid chain reaction. Suddenly you're missing mandatory invoice details, or maybe you're mixing up those GST tax buckets, 5%, 12%, 18%, or 28%. Applying the wrong HSN or SAC codes is incredibly common when you don't have systemic guardrails. But the most painful cost of all? Failing to claim your eligible input tax credit, or honestly, even worse, claiming ineligible ITC. This directly drains your profit margins and is basically a flashing neon sign inviting regulatory scrutiny.
And what is the real-world consequence of those seemingly small spreadsheet mismatches? 18%. That is the punishing annual interest charge you're going to face for delayed tax payments caused by these exact data mapping errors. Just imagine taking that kind of devastating blow to your cash flow simply because of a silly data entry typo on a manual spreadsheet. It completely undercuts all your hard work. So clearly, a temporary Band-Aid just isn't going to cut it anymore. We need technology that completely eliminates the root cause of these issues once and for all. Software needs to do way more than just fix a localized error. It needs to upgrade your entire operational mindset. We absolutely have to evolve past the spreadsheet. Which brings us to Section 2. Meet your Digital CFO, cloud-based automation for MSMEs. Okay, so what exactly is Digital CFO? Well, it's an automated bookkeeping and accounting platform that was actually incubated at IIM Bangalore's NSRCEL, and it's specifically built to give small businesses enterprise-grade capabilities. The best part? The workflow is designed to be as simple as using Gmail. You do not need an accounting background to use this. Step 1, you literally just use an intuitive drop-down menu to select your transaction type. Step 2, you click Submit. And Step 3, the software takes over the whole shebang. It handles the ledger posting entirely and updates all your connected reports, your trial balance, your P&L, automatically and in real time. It completely removes the manual friction. Let's put the two paradigms side by side. Legacy systems? They are notoriously rigid. They require deep accounting knowledge just to navigate safely, and they trap you in these disconnected data silos, forcing you to suffer through delayed reporting and incredibly clunky manual workflows. Digital CFO flips the script entirely. Think of it as your very own tireless, rocket-fueled digital finance team. Because it uses fully automated real-time cloud syncing, you need absolutely zero prior tax or accounting knowledge to accurately process complex transactions. Now, here is the absolute game changer for MSMEs, the concept of accuracy at inception. What this means is it stops bad data dead in its tracks before it can ever infect your financial reports. By ensuring every single transaction is compliant and reliable at the exact moment it's entered, you never have to waste days at month-end untangling messy errors. The software literally prevents the error from being recorded in the first place. Plus, this gives you and your auditors absolute peace of mind. The software maintains a strict, tamper-proof audit trail. We're talking about an immutable, hard-coded system log that automatically captures every single creation, edit, and reversal with precise timestamps. This ensures you're fully compliant with the latest MCA and ICAI guidelines. It genuinely makes audits a breeze instead of a stressful ordeal. Section 3. Real-time business insights, transforming pristine data into strategy. Once you eliminate those entry errors, you've essentially built a foundation of pristine data that translates into daily strategic advantages. Because your data is flawless, right from inception, your most critical reports are generated instantly. Think about that for a second. You get a totally live trial balance. You get immediate real-time profit and loss statements. Your cash and bank books are always updated, and you get instant inventory valuation. You're no longer waiting weeks after the month ends just to see if you actually made a profit. You have the pulse of your business at your fingertips 24/7.
This instant visibility gives MSMEs a superpower, the ability to spot and plug revenue leaks on the fly. It's a perfect blend of actionable intelligence and robust risk management. On the intelligence side, you get insights like weighted average procurement price benchmarking and a clear view into shifting customer buying behaviors. Then, on the risk management side, it lets you enforce real-time budgetary controls across different branches and automatically manage customer credit limits, so you drastically lower your exposure. You're finally shifting from reacting to the past to actively managing the present.
Moving to Section 4, Empowering MSME Growth, Leveraging Compliance for Scaling. The golden rule of modern tech is that your efficiency is only as good as your data quality. By guaranteeing accuracy, this system provides massive value additions that make your business insanely competitive. When you operate with 100% accurate data, your creditworthiness naturally skyrockets. Suddenly, you're unlocking access to vital banking products that were literally impossible to get when you relied on messy spreadsheets. It also opens the door to seamless digital invoice discounting, giving you immediate access to working capital that would otherwise just be tied up. And because you have perfect data, your business can natively integrate with the modern financial ecosystem, meaning you get tech like Unified Lender Interface, dramatically accelerating your access to crucial capital. Instead of spending weeks manually compiling reports to convince a bank to give you a loan, your structured, real-time data does the talking for you. It helps you secure the funding you need to scale faster than ever before. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer today. As we wrap up, I really want to leave you with a provocative question. Take a look at your accounting processes right now. Are you building for the past, just managing chaos day by day, or are you actually scaling for the future? It is time to leave those manual spreadsheets behind and empower your business with a technology-advanced platform. Transform your financial operations, secure your data from day one, and give your MSME the tools it needs to truly thrive. Catch you next time.